Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Salesforce Marketing Cloud for campaign setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, begin by navigating to the official Salesforce Marketing Cloud website. Locate the Sign Up or Get Started button, typically found on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. Next, you will be redirected to a form requiring your information. Fill in the required fields, such as your name, email address, and company name. Choose a secure password that meets the specified criteria. After entering your details, review the information to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, find and select the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Continue or Sign Up button to proceed. You may receive a verification email shortly after submitting your registration. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Salesforce. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud login page. Enter your registered email and password to log in. Upon successful login, you will be guided through the initial setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your account preferences. Complete all necessary steps, including setting up your user profile. Once your profile setup is complete, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab to begin creating your first campaign. Familiarize yourself with the available tools and options. You are now ready to explore further capabilities within Salesforce Marketing Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.